Constantly feeling distracted and you want to get on track for 2021, listen up. Here's tip 1. Vision. Create a vision for yourself so it can actually become a reality. That means make a map, a vision map. Where are we going? You don't buy an airplane ticket and hop on a plane not knowing your destination. So why would you do it with your business? Tip 2, build a sustainable foundation that will support your business or your growth personally and professionally. I see it like an arch. And if you remove a piece of stone from the arch, it crumbles. It's like when you build a house, you lay the foundation before building, otherwise the house crumbles. So why would you build a business without a foundation? Tip 3, internal processes. Develop systems within your business, make sure they're paperless, in the cloud, that will save you a ton of headache, a ton of time, and a ton of miscommunication between you and your team. When I say internal processes, I mean things like email templates, email swipe files, naming conventions, templates, wash, rinse, repeat. You shouldn't have to say the same thing twice. Pro tip, time blocking. Tip 4, external processes. And what does that mean exactly? Develop systems for how you and your team are going to best work with your client. For example, your website intake form, your contract, what happens after a contract is signed, or you can call it a service agreement.